of Sylvan Heights Bird Park. We're the nation's largest bird park. We're a conservation breeding facility of waterfowl, and all the stuff I have with me today are just fun educational materials to teach the public, especially young people, about birds. I got stuff about owls. We got real owl feet. You can experience just how sharp their talons are. Imagine if you were a mouse or a rabbit. Be a nice meal for that. This is a real owl wing. Most people don't get to see owl wings up close. So this is a really cool way to see just how cool they are and overall what a bird wing looks like. Now we all know that birds have hollow bones, but if you ever want to know what that feels like, this is from a mammal, this is from a bird. All you do is pick them up, you can feel the difference. Now I love vultures. Vultures are among the most misunderstood birds on the planet, so I wanted to give them a highlight so you can learn some cool facts about them, see what a turkey vulture head looks like, and to learn to appreciate these animals. And of course, birds have feathers and they lay eggs, so I got some cool examples, including the largest egg in the world. Feathers from all sorts of birds from all over the world. And being an education facility, we also offer field trips for any teachers that want to come and teach their students about birds at the park. So hope to see you there sometime soon.